I had the pleasure today of hosting 1849 Harvester Street open house. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath house. It's located on a corner lot. Here is the kitchen area, and we transitioned into the dining/living area. This house is located in the Hill Crest neighborhood. It's a 3-bed, 1-bath house. Here's the master bedroom. The lot this house is located on has a lot of space around it. Checking out the other rooms. Now we're going to transition from the dining living room area to outside. This area can be used to host parties, have people over. Here's the shed. One of the couple at the open house left the house because of the shed, and it's an area where he wanted to keep all his tools at. And this is a large area that's on the side of the house that can be used to host. It has a large tree that provides good shade, not only for the house, but also for parking. If you have children, this is an area that can be used as a play area for the kids. And outside, you can just see how sprawling the lawn is. A lot of space. Beautiful. So this home is brought to you courtesy of Navy to Navy. Feel free to give us a call for more information about this property. Like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this, and let me know, what did you like the most about this property? Put it in the comments. And what would you like to know more about this property? Also put that in the comments. Take care, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.